Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. Without any further ado, we're just going to do a thorough top-down analysis, starting on the higher time frames. But before that, okay, I'll chat. Okay, we're gonna do a top-down analysis for the week, starting on the higher time frames. But before we do that, we're gonna check Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming out this session. So we're in London session right now. It's 5:19 p.m. my time. We don't have much high impact news coming up for this session, but we have ISM services PMI coming up for NY session later on tonight. But as far as London session goes, I don't think we have anything as yet. So it's gonna be an interesting session. Yeah, no high impact news coming out for London session, so it's gonna be a good clean price action session today. Gonna do a top-down analysis starting on the monthly time frame, a thorough analysis starting on the monthly time frame, since we've this is actually the first stream of the month actually. So just looking at how the previous monthly candle closed, this previous monthly candle closed bearish, creating some sort of resistance over here. But we can clearly also see how, let's get this thing out first. Yeah, we can clearly see how we've also closed back below this resistance area, this previous resistance area over here that was formed during the COVID period in August of 2020. So we have closed back in this area, so this whole push towards the top over here might be a fake out. So we actually might have some bearish momentum for this current monthly candle, but we'll see how it goes. Right now we're currently bearish on the monthly time frame. Dropping onto the weekly time frame now, we can adjust our zones on the weekly time frame. Not too sure. Let's check what my broker is telling me on the weekly time frame. Okay, same information. So zooming into the weekly time frame now, we can adjust our support. Our most recent support area on the weekly time frame is just a little bit below 1947.50 right here. So last week's candle closed bullish, creating some sort of like it closed bullish with a minor weekly candle body. So that means that we also had a really huge rejection towards the top over here. Pretty much rejected this previous resistance area at 1968 actually. So we rejected this previous support area at 1968, came back down, closed wick bullish. So at this point, I think we could have some bearish volume coming in on the weekly time frame, driving bearish. Dropping down to the daily time frame now. Last week Friday's candle closed extremely bearish actually. Closed below this support area right here at 1959.29 area. We're currently driving bearish at this point. Could potentially come down to this daily support area at 1940. So this, I think we have a few more pips until 1940. We'll see. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have clean traffic to the 4-hour time frame. If we do continue bearish, we could have price really driving down to this 4-hour support area at 1939 actually, which is this level over here. So clean traffic to the left, very nice bearish momentum since Friday. We do have a little bit of room to drive bearish still, so we'll see if we do come down to this support area on the 4-hour time frame at 1938 actually, a little bit below 1939. So we'll see if we can continue bearish to this level over here. No way, my computer is a little bit slow at this point. But yeah, dropping to the 1-hour time frame now. Zooming into the 1-hour time frame, just we are currently bearish on the 1-hour time frame. Actually breaking below the previous 1-hour candle low right now. Could potentially drive further bearish, to be honest. We had this previous 1 hour candle closing below this minor support area, the current 1 hour candle looks good to drive bearish. If we do continue bearish, we also have some nice clean traffic to the 1 hour time frame coming down to this 1 hour support area over here at 1933.50. So actually would have some nice bearish momentum coming down over here. This is an 80 pip range. So what are the chances we could potentially catch a couple of pips in this range? Who knows? We'll see. Let's see. The 4 hour candle has 1 hour 35 minutes left. This 1 hour candle has 35 minutes left to close. So see, do I want to get in on this trade right now? If you do get in on this trade, I was also going to be a little bit over 30 pips wide, so not going to get in on this trade as yet. Let's see, looking at 30-minute time frame. On the left, we have a minor support area over here on the 30-minute time frame in 1942. It's right here. And this current 30-minute candle is closing in 4 minutes. Did have a liquidity grab towards the top. We have a nice 30-minute candle closure right now. I mean, we'll see. We'll wait to see how this candle closes in the next 4 minutes. Don't want to be taking any impulse entries yet. Just have to be very, very patient on this one. But heavily bearish at the moment. We'll have to wait to see how this 30-minute candle closes in the next 3 minutes. So we're going to shift our focus on the 1 hour time frame to the 30-minute time frame first. What could potentially happen is we could have the next, if we do close below this support area over here at 1942, the next candle, as long as we respect this current 30-minute candle high, could drive bearish like this. But we'll have to wait to see how this candle closes. So being very, very patient right now. Welcome everyone. It's been a while. Guys. So the welcome people on Zoom, members on Zoom, Discord, YouTube. Welcome guys. It's gonna be a great session. I actually took a trade during Asian session right here. So had a nice candle closure below support, executed the next one, secured like 13-14 pips right here. So that was a nice trade during Asian session. We can get another nice trade for this session. See where it's very important to wait for candle closures. Very, very important. We have the 1 hour candle also flipping bullish as well. It's gonna be interesting. So the plan for today is to wait for confirmations to get in on sells. If not, we're gonna wait for price to retrace potentially on the 1 hour time frame too. We also have this 1 hour level over here. We could potentially attempt to break above. 1940 is also a pretty strong key level. So we might have some bullish, potentially some bullish moves coming in. So you just have to be very, very patient with this one. Very, very patient. See what's happening on the 50-minute time frame as well. Ooh, we also have like a nice level here also on the 50-minute time frame. It's going to be interesting if this closes bearish. Hey Shalantas, hello, what's up? How are you? Welcome to the streams, mate. It's going to be very, very interesting. I haven't been looking at the 50-minute time frame, so oh yes, yes. I am consistent. I am consistent, you could say. So 15-minute candle closure below support. If you do take this trade, stops is very nice. We could potentially anticipate price to really drive bearish. So we might take this trade on the 15-minute time frame. Might actually having volume come in right now. Maybe if we can get a top wick. Yeah, there we go. This thing could actually drive bearish at this point. They don't actually get in. Looking at the 5-minute time frame. I was looking to get in on sells, but 10-minute time frame is just not ideal to me right now. We'll take a trade on the break of this low here. Also gonna be around 22 pips. Anticipating price to really drive bearish. Could work, could work. Yeah. Just being very patient at this point. Actually see what's happening on the 50-minute time frame. Took a sell? Oh, nice. Nice, amazing, bro. I hope you manage risk. Yeah, we could definitely have volume come in now. It's a little bit tricky right now, bro. Not in on any sales yet. Not in on any sales yet, bro. Yeah, didn't get it on any sales yet, bro. I've just being very patient right now. What did you take a sell, bro? Now scenarios like this is sometimes instincts, bro. Instincts. I used to get caught a lot in these moves. These kind of moves are pretty obvious. A lot of people are gonna get in on sells, and that's where a lot of people are gonna get annihilated. So that's why I'm staying away. Look at the 30-minute time frame. We have a minor support level on the 30-minute resistance area on the 30-minute time frame above 1943. So you know, anything could happen at this point. Maybe we could have some sort of retracement a little bit for this session, and that's what we might be looking at for this session. Price to retrace a little bit, and then when NY session comes in, then we're going to see a nice, I mean, we're going to see some nice bearish momentum come in. But right now, it's a little bit trickier. It's a little bit tricky at this point. We have been extremely bearish since Asian session actually. But yeah, I believe we could tap into 1940. I believe we could tap into 1940. This here to indicate our daily support. So this could be a potentially our target if you're gonna get in on sells. It's just a little bit. It's only like 10 pips away. So maybe if we could retrace a little bit, then hopefully we can get something. You know, it's very important to have confirmations with different time frames. You know, very important to have confirmations with different time frames, but it's also very important to have confidence in execution. There we go. This is gonna be interesting now. Nice 30-minute level here. $15-minute time frame. It doesn't look too good at this point. I think we're gonna wait for better confirmations on the can I exit my position? Well, you could manage risk. Maybe take some off the table. Close half. You're in a loss, close half. I mean, that's what I would do. If I'm getting uncomfortable, I close half. Because what could happen is you might exit your trade and it turns out going back in your favor. So yeah, if you're not comfortable, bro, just close half. Close half out. Remove some risk. Really want to be looking at 30-minute time frame right now. So I'm gonna go for a 2-minute break. I'll be back. Okay, there we go. What percentage would you risk if you had $2,000 account? 1 to 3%. 1 to 3%, yeah. Is volume spread analysis profitable for trading? I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. Do you stream Monday to Friday? Yes. I stream Monday to Friday. I like to do all London session. I do take trades during annual session too, but I reserve that only for members. So, hey, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? What is your net worth? Well, I'm a billionaire. Ah, jokes. How long do you stream? Usually around like 2 hours, maybe 2 hours, 2 hours a day. So, bro, if you're still in the sales, man, you're in some pretty nice sales right now. Could have gotten in on a 50-minute time frame too. Could have, would have, should have. It's okay. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Not that confident, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna see if price does come down to 940. I want to see how price reacts off this daily support. Yes, bro, $200 up. Nice, bro. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. Oh, look at this. Amazing, bro. Amazing. If you're still in this trade, man, this is amazing. Amazing. 50-minute structure too is pretty decent. You know why I hesitated a little bit on this trade? Because I've already taken a trade during Asian session, so we're tapping into the daily support area right now, which is the 1940 50. This is a level which got rejected on the 20th 21st of March, also got rejected on the 25th of May, all through to the 30th of May. So pretty much at this level at this point. So we actually could start driving through this level, to be honest. But nice. Amazing, amazing bearish volume at this point. Amazing. Yeah, the thing about these daily zones is we could have like huge rejections of it. So just have to be patient. We also have the 15-minute candle closing. Nice trade actually. Yeah, this thing is just dumping right now. What happened to my Instagram? What happened to my Instagram? My Instagram's still there, bro. I took 4 trades today. Why should I stop trading today? It's up to you. If you want to stop trading, stop trading. If you don't want to stop trading, just keep on trading. Yeah, just keep on trading, mate. Do you think gold could retrace? What are you looking for to possibly buy? Yes, I think gold could retrace a little bit. What I'm looking for possible buy is I'm waiting to see if price could reject this 1940 area. If we do have some nice clean rejections of this 1940 area, then I could potentially get in on our retracement trade. Potentially anticipating some like, you know, this daily candle to come back and start trading back above 1940. So that's what I'm looking for. So this purple line over here is pretty much the daily support, and we're going to hop on back to the 1 hour time frame and see if we can get in on some possible retracements. But I think to be on the safe side, I think we're better off looking for sells, to be honest. If you're going to be trading against a trend going in for buys, that means you're pretty much trading against the current trend. So if we are going to get in on buys, we're going to go in with half risk. We're not going in with our full risk. We're going to go in with half risk. Because at this point, man, things are just tanking. And we have 12 minutes until this 1 hour candle and this 30-minute candle closes. So yeah, at this point, I think it's a little bit tricky right now. See, the thing about how we trade is we're always trading from zone to zone. And sometimes these zones with volume gets broken through, and sometimes during high volume sessions, you know, if you have some nice rejections during high volume sessions, then price could definitely retrace off those zones. And also, we could also have some liquidity grabs, liquidity wicks towards the bottom, and start retracing back up bullish. So can we sell below 940? And you could. It's up to you. But personally, I'm gonna wait for confirmations. I'm gonna wait for confirmations before I can get in on any sell. Right now, if we were to take any sells at this point, our stop loss is gonna be pretty huge. So yeah. And like I said, I've already taken a trade during Asian session. Profitable trade for the day. I'm good with calling it a day, to be honest. But just because of the sake of streaming London session, pretty much here during London session. So if you don't take any trade, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes we take trades, sometimes we don't take trades. Can't complain. What are you drinking? I'm actually drinking coffee right now. Coffee is the best, guys. Like, I honestly can't function without coffee. I've been drinking like 3 coffees a day. Not on the weekends though. on the weekdays. So coffee is good. Are you on Twitter? Oh yeah, I am on Twitter. If you can find my page on Twitter, all the best. There's pretty much nothing on my Twitter, guys. Like, it's just some bullshit. I can't really keep up to date with keep up with my socials, so I can only do one thing at a time. Not really focused on Twitter right now, to be honest. I don't know when. I can't even remember when the last time I posted on Twitter or retweeted something. So, yeah. But yeah, Twitter is pretty much basically my personal account is on Twitter. I don't do any trading stuff on Twitter. I don't post any trades or whatnot. I retweet stuff, but nothing of my own on Twitter. But IG, yes, IG is the place to be. And Discord. I haven't really been active on Discord actually, so. So we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 8 minutes. Maybe if you do close back above 1940.50, would have some potential buys here. Just trying to see how price reacts off this this daily resistance over here, the purple line. So we have 8 minutes left until it closes. So we're just gonna see how it closes at this point. Did you secure any profits during London Asian session and leave a run or running? No, I took everything out during Asian session. Just took everything out. Didn't leave any runners for Asian session. Price came down to 1340 pips, somewhere over here, and I pretty much took everything out. Holy shit, this thing is tanking, guys. We also have a minor key level right over here at 19 on the 30-minute time frame. 1939 right here. We had price rejecting this level on Tuesday last week. We also had price rejecting this level again on London session. So we could potentially reject this zone again. See how big of a wick this is. Maybe if we have a nice kind of closure back above 1940.50, we could potentially get in on buys. Potentially, but right now, yeah, staying away from this, guys. Staying away from this. And at this point, we really can't do much. Do you know about supply and demand? Nope. Getting on buys, all the best. Session. Did you take any profits, or you still have your positions running? Session got in on some nice sales earlier on during the stream, so hopefully he still has his positions running or secured some profits already. So we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 5 minutes. We'll see how it reacts off this level here. To make this a little bit dark. Holy shit, look at this retracement, guys. Look at this retracement. Look at this shit. Ah, man. 4 minutes until candle closes. Going to be interesting. Gonna be very interesting. Now look at the daily time frame. You have some nice buyers in this level over here. Oh, actually tapped into this 4-hour support area. So we could potentially reject at this point now. We just need to wait for some nice confirmations before getting in. Let's see what's happening on the 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute candle is actually bullish right now. 3 minutes until this candle closes. I mean, if you do get in on buys, stop loss is gonna be pretty decent. It's not gonna be too big. Don't like looking at the 15-minute time frame, but 30-minute time frame looks good. What type of confirmations do you look for on reversal trades? I look to see if price rejects key levels, if price rejects support or resistance on multiple time frames. That's what I look for on reversals. And also cannot closure confirmations. So either cannot closure confirmation on the 50-minute time frame or the 30-minute time frame. Hey, why should I stop trading after 2 trades? So you don't overtrade, bruh. Come on. Like, you really have to limit yourself. You can't, I mean, if you're starting off in this trading journey, try to limit yourself to the number of trades you take so that you don't fall into, like, you don't put yourself in a position where you have FOMO. Whether you try to make your losses back or you get greedy and try to make more than what the market gave you. So yeah, in order to maintain that, I think it's best to take 1 or 2 trades per day. That's it. I don't usually look at the 5-minute time frame, but I think we're starting to have volume die down a little bit on the 5-minute time frame. The bearish volume, that is. Look at the 50-minute time frame. We have a weak bearish candle closure over here with a rejection wick towards the bottom. Stick to the 50-minute time frame. So, what I think could happen is if we start breaking above the previous 50-minute candle high, then that means we're going to start trading back above the daily support area. If you're going to be trading above that level, and if you do execute over here, we're going to anticipate price to stay above that level. But we need more confirmations to get in on buys. Because looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have tapped into the support. So 4-hour time frame is a pretty strong time frame. So we actually might get in on buys, anticipating this 4-hour support area to hold. We just have to wait for confirmations. We just have to wait for strong candle close confirmations. I'll be back. We have the new 30-minute candle open right now. We also have the new 1-hour candle open right now. So this gray line over here is the previous rejection level on a 30-minute time frame. We had some rejections of this area before, so we might have some more rejections of this level over here. We're not getting in on any buys unless price comes up above 1940.50. So But if you do get in on buys, it's going to be interesting. Where are you from, PNG? How could I send charts? You can either send it on YouTube or Discord. Yeah. How would you have gotten in on sales on this trade? That's a good question. Either on the 30-minute time frame or the 50-minute time frame. I hesitated a little bit. So, yeah. Like I said, I'm not taking any buys unless price comes up above 1940.50. So being very patient right now. I don't usually look at the 5-minute time frame, but if you do take a trade on the 5-minute time frame, this is going to be your only trade for the session. 15-minute candles driving bullish. Yeah, we'll see. Actually going to see how this 5-minute candle closes. Might get a trade. Bro, I have a signal on Discord. I have a signal group in Discord, but if you can find it, you find it. But it's only for members only. There we go. Oh, look at this. Look at this shit. Ladies and gentlemen, might have a nice trade in the next few seconds. It's going to be great. Just need a nice kind of closure. Then we're going to look to take this trade up. Oh, no top wick. No top wick. No top wick on the 5-minute time frame. Wait for price to retrace a little bit. Okay, there we go, guys. I'm in on this trade right here. Got in on the retracement. This is gonna be my only trade for the session, guys. Stops are gonna be below, and our target's gonna be right up over there. Holy shit, guys! Pretty much running pretty nicely right now. Because we're trading against the trend, I'm gonna get out at like 10 pips. Boom, there we go, guys. Actually got in at 1940.69. This is our entry right here. There we go. Ooh, 10 pips. A little bit more. Wanna see how this 5-minute candle closes. Okay, guys, just secured some profits right there. 10 pips right here. Our stops are pretty much a break even right now. Holy shit, look at this shit go. Holy moly. That is one of the quickest trade ever. Then we're gonna take everything out up at this resistance area over here on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna take everything out at this 50-minute resistance right here. 270. Amazing trade, guys. Amazing. Holy shit. Nice. Pretty happy with this. And ladies and gentlemen, we're about to have a TP hit right now. And congratulations on whoever took this trade with me. 27 pips live on the stream. Amazing trade, guys. So pretty much approaching this resistance right now on the 55-minute time frame, the 50-minute time frame. We're also trading against the trend, so amazing trade, guys. This is one of the quickest trades ever. Amazing. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna clear the session. Amazing. Pretty happy with this. To the T. This trade took less than 10 minutes. So trades taken on the stream. Let's see. 29 plus pips. And plus pips, gold buys. Yep. Just like that. Just like that, guys. Amazing trade, guys. Sheesh, amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna close the session. Cheers, guys. I'll catch you guys during line session tomorrow. For the members, we have Zoom for NY sessions. So I'll catch you guys then.